Namaste and welcome. I am Priya Sharma and I am a law student. Are you looking for information on government scheme which can benefit you and your family? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will be discussing about two schemes which is recently launched by NALSA. So let's begin the video. First, understand what is NALSA. NALSA stands for Legal Service Authority, which is a statutory body instituted under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 in India. NALSA is responsible for providing free and competent legal service to the weaker section of society, including. Let's dive into the topic. NALSA legal service to person with mental illness and person with intellectual disability scheme 2024. This scheme is a legal framework for providing free legal service to person with mental illness and person with intellectual disabilities in India. The scheme is intended to be responsive to the specific legal and social need of the target group. Now let's understand objective of the scheme. To create a specialized unit of panel lawyers and paralegal volunteers in every district who possess requisite knowledge about the special need of person with mental illness and person with intellectual disabilities. To ensure that person with mental illness and person with intellectual disabilities are equal access to scheme, programs, facilities or services. To ensure that person with mental illness and person with intellectual disabilities receive information about their legal right in a manner tailored to their unique needs, considering both their mental health and intellectual capabilities. To collaborate with government, institutions and departments, non-government organizations, universities, etc. to strengthen the ecosystem for the implementation of legislation. Scheme are policies that safeguard the right of person with mental illness and person with intellectual disabilities in their letter and spirit. Let's understand the legal and policy framework. The legal and policy framework of the scheme is based on the Indian Constitution, the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 and the Right of Person with Disability Act 2016. The scheme also takes into account the Mental Health Care Act 2017 and the National Mental Health Policy 2014. Let's understand the action and interventions under the scheme. The scheme proposes the establishment of a Specialized Legal Service Unit LSUM in every district. The LSUM will be responsible for providing. Now, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any queries, questions or need further clarification, please go through the NALSA website.